How to create a Wattpad account. To do so, you need to download the Wattpad application onto your device. You may just download it from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, this kind of interface appears on your screen when you open it. And here there are three options of signing in. Here, one of them is with Google, another one is with Facebook, and another one is with email. So we're going to go with the manual process of signing up with email. But if you log in or sign up with Google, you just need to give your access to Google by entering the code, or Facebook by entering the code. So let's go with sign up with email. After tapping on that option, verify your gender, and here type in your email at the very first option. Then on the second option, enter your username, whatever you want. And then on the third option, you need to enter your birth date. You just select the year you were born in, and the date and the day and your month. After that, you pronounce and tap on continue. After that, you pronounce and tap on continue. And here you need to create a password on your account. You just create a stable password that is. After creating your password, just tap on the terms and just tap on agreeing that you agree the terms and conditions of the Wattpad and tap on sign up. And then you need to verify your email. Just tap on got it and choose your three favorite genres to read. I'm gonna choose these three and tap on continue. Here you get the offer of changing your Wattpad into premium. If you want it, you may just buy the plans of Wattpad. For now, I'm gonna decline the offer, and there you go. You have successfully created your Wattpad account very easily. So in this way, you can register in your Wattpad